Yan.
Oh, I think I cannot open it. It's stuck here forever. I think it's stuck. Guys, I think it's stuck here. Just joking. Welcome for Ching. Today I have something to show you. My mommy and daddy bought me. Mommy, can you give me the gift? Okay. Okay, wait when I
Okay, anak. Okay, here you go.
I have a makeup set. Let's open it. Let's see which side. Maybe this one. I have deep.
Is it hard?
Yeah, it's hard.
I will
I'll
help
just
you
do
na.
it. No, I can do it. Guys, I already take out. Looks like I'm excited. What? It's not opening. Not opening. Opening, guys. Wait, I think this. Maybe not opening. It's stuck here forever. Hey, I didn't do this side. Just joking, I did it. Oh my gosh. Guys, look, I'm opening it. Oh my gosh.
You can ask daddy. Give me.
I can do it. Oh my gosh.
Scissor.
Guys, look. There's a sponge like this. Wow, I never see this. Okay, I'll put it back. Or I'll just leave it here because I'm gonna put it on. And a nail polish over here. Wow, so cute. And I have, wow. This is hard to get. Let's just dump it over. Pick up. Guys, look, it's a lipstick. Wow, it's so pretty. I'm gonna put it on later. Okay, get this out again.
Straight body, ah.
Guys, now I have to get this hair out. Oh my.
Is it blush on? Oh my god.
No,
You
it's
like
not
it?
blush on.
Foundation.
Look, mommy. Guys, look, you have to put this in the hair. Leave it later. I'll put it on later. Next, nice brush, like a morning brush. Mommy, is that good vlog?
Yeah.
Guys, look. Oh my.
What is it?
Tattoo.
Ah.
Is it tattoo? Yeah.
I think so.
No, this one's tattoo. Look. This one's the real tattoo.
Show it. Oh my god.
The last part of the makeup.
The one you call eyeshadow.
Eyeshadow and makeup for the cheek. Oh my gosh, this is hard to get out. Please get out already. Dump. Oh my gosh. Wow.
Careful, ah.
Wow.
Need help?
No. Don't need. I'm gonna put this on. Wait. Now I'm gonna put it on. What? The tape is sticking together. For the eyeshadow. And what is this for? I'll
Here.
just leave it them here.
Blush on.
Oh, blush on. This one. How about this? I think this one. Guys, I think this one is for. I think this one for here. Both of these are same for here. I think. Then this one are for here. Now let's start doing makeup.
Oh?
I'm gonna start for the hair first.
Only unboxing, right?
No, also makeup.
No, no.
That's my gift from my mommy and daddy. See you in my next video. Bye!